Hi, my name is Tim, and I would like to help you get the highest possible score on the TOEFL, the TOEIC, or the IELTS test. I have an advanced tip for you that could help improve your score and may help you get a perfect score on the TOEFL, the TOEIC, or the IELTS test. This actually helped me. Let me tell you how it works. I was a TOEFL, TOEIC, or IELTS teacher at a university level for years. Then one year I decided I should retake the test again myself just to see how well I will do. I should do very good. I've been teaching it. So I took a TOEFL mock test and the reading part of it, I took the reading section of the test. I read the article, seemed very easy. I went through the test questions, answered them. I knew all the answers. It seemed very easy. I did that for 3 reading passages. I scored my own test. I went back and looked and I said, wait a minute, how could that be? I missed 2 or 3 answers, but I knew all the answers. I knew the correct answers. So I did it again. I took the reading section test of the TOEFL again. A similar thing happened. I did better this time, but I still missed 2 answers. When I look back, I actually knew the correct answer to the questions. How could I have picked the wrong answers? Well, I figured it out and I have a solution that can help you. Let me show you. I will share a screen and I'll show you a sample test question. Uh, you can just pretend you've already read the reading section to illustrate my solution. You don't really need to have to read it. I'll walk you through it right now. Let's just pretend you read the reading section. You've got the question. What is the major difference between the accrual method and cash method of accounting? And you feel like you know the answer. We got A, what kind of sales are recorded? I think, aha, I believe that's it. I go to B, when a sale is recorded. I think, oh, no, I think that's it. I go to C, whether a business uses mostly cash or credit. I think, no, that's not really it. But still, I have to read every choice to make sure. I go on to D, how many times a month sales are recorded? I think that's not true. So I remember D isn't true. I remember C isn't the correct answer. But I know I read the correct answer. I know I had the correct answer. But I remember now it was A or B, but I'm in a rush for time. I don't have any time to waste. I'll look back real quick and I'll figure out which one it was, A or B. I look up there, A, I see kinds of sales are recorded. I think it's A. So I pick A on the answer sheet. Then I go ahead and go on to the next question. When I'm done with the test, I check my answers and I realize, wait a minute, I got number 173. I got it wrong. I look back. I see, oh, I checked A, but oh, when I look at B, I realize, wait a minute, B was the real answer. It has the same keywords as A, but really the answer was B. So I figured out a solution. This solution could help you. If it can improve your score on just a couple of answers, it will help you quite a bit on the TOEFL test. So let me change the color of my pen here, and I'll show you how to do it. This time, you read the question. Then when you get to A, you have your pencil in hand, or you can use your finger. You can use it on the computer screen. You can use it on the answer sheet. Either way, this system will work. Keep your pen or your finger pointed at the last correct answer you chose, the last best correct answer you chose. For example, I read A, what kind of sales are recorded? So I think that's maybe correct. I put my pencil on A, or I put my finger pointing to A. Then I go to B, when a sale is recorded. Ah, that's the one. I change my mind. I'm sure B is the correct one. I move my pen or my finger to B. So I've got my finger on B or my pen on B. That's the latest correct answer that I feel sure of. But in order to be sure, I have to read the other choices. So I read C, whether a business uses mostly cash or credit. No, that's not it. D, how many times a month sales are recorded? No, that's not correct. So now I'm wondering which one was really the correct answer. I remember I read the correct answer. I remember it's not D, but my memory is not really perfect. I'm pretty sure it's not C, but I can't quite remember whether it's A or B. And I'm in a hurry. I look back, I see my pin is on B, or my finger is pointed to B. I know that's the last correct answer that I will bet on. That's the one I was sure before. Uh, so I pick answer B on the answer sheet. Then I'm in a hurry, so I go ahead and go to the next answer. In this case, since I use this simple little system with my finger or my pen, by putting my finger or my pen on the last answer that I'm sure was correct, the one I'm betting on, I keep my pen or my finger on that answer until I find a better answer. When I use that system, I will get 2 or 3 more questions correct than I would have on the TOEIC. The most important thing is uh, that I don't miss 2 answers simply because I don't remember exactly which answer it was. It's embarrassing to get a question wrong simply that you knew the answer to simply because you accidentally picked the wrong answer. So that's my expert tip on increasing your score on the TOEFL, the TOEIC, or the IELTS test, possibly even getting a perfect score on the TOEFL, the TOEIC, or the IELTS. See you in the next video.